Wish me luck. I'm about to go install two brand new 30-gallon water heaters in one of the most brutal jobs I've ever seen. I'm sure there's more difficult jobs out there, but I think there's at least 6 flights of stairs that I have to climb up with each water heater. I'll be doing this by myself. I'm probably gonna blow my ass and legs out today, just trying to get these things up there. And I think parking is almost non-existent, so that means I'm going to be doing a lot of walking and a lot of pulling water heaters up concrete flights of stairs. The water heaters are next to each other, and I think the actual installation should be pretty easy to do once I'm up there, but hopefully I can handle this. This was short notice, so I didn't have enough time to get any help from anybody. There are a couple phone calls I can make, but we shall see how this goes. I'm going to take you guys along and at least show you the flights of stairs and the lack of parking and the water heaters. I probably won't bore you with the actual installation because those videos, frankly, they don't do very well on my channel. Service calls do pretty good. But yeah, let's see if I can handle this. Today is President's Day, so I happen to have the day off. So I'm going to try and make all this happen and take you along. So stay tuned. All right, so I got the water heaters picked up. And this is the stairs that I'm looking at. So yeah, a lot of fun. All right, so quick little look-see. Really tight area here. Probably gonna have to take these doors off. There is 2 shut-off valves for each line. You can see the gas valves are super old, and probably just drain it down that direction. The ducting comes out across here and is like one big manifold of ducting that connects to each one. Well, that's gonna be a lot of fun. No water heater straps, we like that. Other than that, yeah, I'm up here. There's the truck down there. We'll see what we can do, but I'll probably just pull these doors off because they're definitely going to be in my way. This is like a pinch point right here. But yeah, just getting these water heaters up here is going to probably kill me. Okay, water heaters are drained and removed. I've got them down below down there. I doubt you can see anything. So it's about 40 stairs, 40 concrete stairs. I counted them. So yeah, call the paramedics and tell them we got a heart attack. Check it out. Whew, got the first one up here. Wasn't as bad as I thought. But yeah, it's about 40 steps all the way down. I'll try and get the next one on camera. Not that you want to really see me do this, but whew, that's more than I wanted to do. I went ahead and replaced the supply lines, and it's just kind of drying out a little bit while I bring these water heaters up here. And you can see where the ducting connects out here. It's kind of one big manifold, so probably have problems with that. Okay, forgot to film it, but take my word for it, it was brutal. I'm out of breath. But we got them up here. Probably gonna take a little break right now, drink a lot of water, eat some food, and then start the installation. Okay, so we had major leaking problems. What happened is I reused the supply lines, and these things are notorious for leaking, but I didn't want to touch them, and like a bunch of them leaked, which is always a lot harder to get back in there to do it once the water heater's in. But I've got all the I much prefer these stainless braided ones here. These are the braided. These stainless compared to these braided. I kept this one on because it looked good, and it turned out it was. So all the water heaters are filled up. They're under pressure. I just need to get the ducting. Oh, we got a little dripping going on back here, so I gotta figure that out. All right, so got the ducting in. I've still got a supply line that's leaking, so I gotta replace that one. Ducting isn't ideal, but not much I can do. There's a little bit of slope going down this way, but for some reason this side has no gas, so they must have the gas off someplace, maybe at the meter. I have no idea. I'm not going to worry about it. It was off when I got here. This one's on and running. It's not backdrafting, so this water heater's good, no leaks. I got a leaky supply line here that I've replaced. I got to get in and replace it again. This ducting is crazy, but there's not much I can do. So it's gonna have a little downhill to go, hopefully. I'm gonna have make a big deal out of that. If I can lower this supply line, nah, it's gonna screw it all up. So I'm gonna go in and replace this supply line with a different one. Already shut the water off, and now I gotta drain this one down. This job's a pain in the ass. Okay, we're all done. They got a gas leak going on someplace, so they have it shut off right here. I'm not going to worry about lighting the second one. Got the door put back on. And hopefully it took care of all the leaks. So yeah, Little twofer, good day for me financially. Just dealing with those stairs, charged extra money. And that kind of makes up for a couple of crappy, slow weeks. Anyway, thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one. And have a great day.